The blogs feature on the EzyCourse platform is really smart. It's beautifully presented on desktop and mobile. It's got a lovely search bar at the top that allows users to search for different blogs. You can also categorize blogs as well to make them easy for users to find. So let's have a look in the EzyCourse dashboard as to how easy it is to manage blogs. Just as with everything on the EzyCourse, everything's easily labeled. You've got the blogs category just here, and here you can create your blogs, give them a title. You can choose whether users can comment on the blogs, whether you show the publish date, and then you can put a lot of content in here. This is a nice rich editor that allows you to insert videos and images and tables, bullet points, all that sort of thing. And there's a really nice cool feature that outlines your document as you start to write it. Now here you can put all your blog information in. You can schedule blogs for future dates. So if you want to write a few, schedule for them for the future, you can do. And you can also sell your blogs as well. So each blog, you can choose to sell access to it. You can give it a price. You can even choose how many days it's accessible for. Now, under SEO information, this is where you can put all the information that the search engines will love. So the more you can put in here, the better. That helps the search engines to find your valuable content, list it in the search engines, and of course here you can choose the images that are displayed when it's shared on social media and that sort of thing. You can also sell access to the entire blog. You can do that as a membership one-time pricing. So you can sell access to all of your blogs for one price. You can also do that as a subscription price model as well. So lots of options for you to get more traffic to your site using blogs and even more revenue as well.